It's funny that we're asking about sounds at the moment, because I understand, Christine, that you have a little bit of a habit that you can't help.
Apparently. I don't notice it, but if I'm at the checkout at the shops and I'm using the EFTPOS machine, I make the noise to swipe it, I make the noise for the buttons and...
Which would sound like what? What other situations?
Driving in the car, that's a big one.
How's it go?
Every corner.
So at home, do you go, ba-bow?
Yes.